Hello and welcome once again to my 11 plus exam papers. This is the bond assessment paper 11 plus maths and it's paper 5. So let's get started. 3,500 is what I have to write. So that is 3,500. Yeah. Then I have to write 5.6 million. So that's my 5.6 million. 903,093 0, then 10.7 million, then calculate the answers to the subtraction problem. So I have 17, 9, 8 and 9, 17, and then this is 2, so 12, 4 and 8, 12, and then this is 8, 9 plus 9 is 18, and this becomes 4 minus 1 is 3. The next one is 11, 8 and 3, 11, then I have, this is 9, minus 7 is 2, then this is 2, 1, 3, then this is 3 and 4, 9, 4, 13, this is 3 and 5, 8 and 5, 13, this is 2, 6 and 6, 12, and 1, 6, 8, 9. Then we have 9 and 8, 17, this is 0, 8 and 2, 10, this will be 9, this one is 8, 2, no, silly, this is 1, this is 1, okay. The next one is, it's 1889. Yes, we have to use these square roots. This is a graph of square numbers. It can be used to find the approximate square numbers and square roots. For example, look at the number 5. So we have number 5, and if you go up the curve and across, you will find that the square of 5 is 25. So the square root of 30 is about, so 30 is here. So if we do, this is 30, along this line it cuts here, so we are following this line is 5.5, square root of 12, that's 10, that's 12, no, that's 11, and then that's 12, so it's 3 point, I hope I got it right, but it looks like it's 3.5, see here that's the midpoint, so it's 3.5, yes it is 3.5. The square root of 21 is about, 21 is here, and if I continue, may easily go wrong, but I'll just try to get as close to correct and then circle the answer. So somewhere here, so it's more than 4.5. So it's more than 4.5. So this is 4.5. This is more than 4.5, so it's 4.6, right? The square root of 40 is about, 40 is going here, So this no, it's less than 6.5. 6.3 is less than 6.5. See, if you bring it down to 40, it's less than 6 between that, so it's 6.3. It's less than between 6.5 and 6 or 6.3. Okay, then find the approximate answers here. Circle the approximate answer. So 2.5 squared is about, so you can do it this way. 2.5 times 2.5, you will get 625. But I think they want you to do it over here, so you have to do 6.5 is somewhere here. Isn't it? Yeah. No, sorry. 2.5. My mistake. What am I doing? 2.5 squared we have to do. So 2.5 is here. This is 2.5. And if you square this, so you should get somewhere more than 6, isn't it? 6.5. So it is 6.25. The next one is, we can't do this, we can't multiply and do it, we have to use the graph. 6.5 squared is about, so I have 6.5 is this. So this line need to go up. You will hit it somewhere here, and then when you follow this line, very easy with the ruler, guys, but I can't use the ruler unfortunately. On the screen is where I'm working, so I should get 42. Bit more than that, I think. Okay, then 1.6 squared, so that's my 1.5. My 1.6 is here, so it's more than 3. It's 3. 15. Wait. 3. No, it's somewhere here, isn't it? So it's wait, it takes me so long to do this thing. So we got to do 1.5. Oh no, 1.6. Oh, sorry about that. 1.6 is here. So it is about here, which is 2.5. So easy to go wrong on these ones. So 5.8 squared is about 5.8, 5.5. It's somewhere here, isn't it? These lines are too small for me to see. So it's somewhere around see, we have crossed about 30, so it's going beyond this half line, 32.5. So it's somewhere around here. See, it's coming to somewhere around here. So that's 33.5. I think I can safely circle that. Right, okay. The next one is put these masses in the correct order from lightest to heaviest. So we have 500 gram. So this one, 3/4 of a kg, is times 1,000. So that would be 10, 8 and 2, 250. So that would be 750. That next one is 250 gram. This is 1.3 kg. This is 800 gram. 3 times 1 is 3 and 1, 4. No, 1.33 kg. Because if you divide 3 with 1, 3, 9, and it goes on and on. It's a recurring number, recurring decimal places. So it's 1.33. So which is the smallest? The smallest is 250. So the smallest is 250. The next is 500. The next is 750. Then 800. So 800 gone, 500 gone. Okay, then is 1.3, 1300 gram. Then 1.33, or you can say 1.5 kg. So it's 250. So 250. So instead of writing 250, we should write 0.25. Okay, because it's this one, right? You should write 0.25. Okay, so that's what it is. The next one, a local pig breeder has these fields. Calculate the area and the perimeter of each one. Fine. So for A, this is 8, the width is 8, the length will be 50 minus 15 is 35. So this is 35. So area will be 35 times 8. That is 40, 0 and 4, 24 and 4, 28. So it's going to be 280 meters square, and perimeter is going to be 2 times 35 plus 8. 8, 13, 3 and 1. Yeah, 43. So that is 686. That is 86 meter. 23 is not 86. What am I doing? What did I do? Wait, let me do it again. See, so easy. I get confused so easily. I hope you all are better than I am. So then what we do is, so we have A, right? So this is 50 minus 50. Did I get that right? Yes, 35. So it is 35 plus 8 times 2 perimeter. So it's 2 times 5 and 8 is 13, 3 and 1 43. 2 is 3 times 2 is 6, 86. So this should be 86 meter. Let's see, 46 meter. What did I do wrong? Oh God, what have I done? I got completely messed up. Look at me, I'm subtracting. They've given me this is 15. This happens when you're under time pressure. You know, when you're under pressure for time, you forget to notice the simplest of things. So this is 15. 15 plus 8, the whole thing times 2, that is 2 times 23, that is 46. So this would be 46, and the area would be 15 times 8, that is for 120. Is 120. Finally, took me so long to do this. Anyway, well, you are ahead of me. Okay, so the next one, field B has a perimeter of. So where is field B? This is my field B. So this is field B. Field B has a perimeter of. So what is the length? We got to be certain about this length. Now look, this one, the whole thing is 15 plus 15, that is 30. And this is 8, so this will be 30 minus 8, that is 22. Okay, so this is 22 and this is 15. So it's 22 plus 15 times 2. 2 times 7, 37. That is 4 and 1, 74. And an area is 15 times 22. So that's 30, 30, 330. That would be 330. I hope you can see. Even if you can't read very well, it doesn't matter, because you have the questions and this is very easy and you can do it even without looking. So you don't really need to see. So field C has a perimeter of field C. This is my field C. So it's 15 and this is 50 minus 15, 35. The one I was mistaken in then. So this is 35, this is 15. So for field C is 2 times 35 plus 15. 2 times 5 and 5, 10, 0 and 1, 3, 4 and 1, 5 is 100. This is 100 and the other is 35 times 15 and 2, 15, 16, 17, 35, 5, 12, 5, 25. Field D. My next is field D. So field D has 15 and what about this one? So this one is 50 minus 15 plus 5, that's 50 minus 20 is 30. Okay, so this one is 30, so it's 30 times 15. This is 2 into 30 plus 15, 90, 45 times 2. So field D has 90 perimeter. And the area will be 30 times 15, that is 450. It's a lot of multiplication to do. Field E. Okay, so we got to be patient and keep doing. Don't lose your focus, because if you lose your focus, you see how easy it is to get wrong. So we have to be focused. Okay, so then we have field E, which is this one. This one is my field D. So it's 5 times, and what is 5 and what is this bit? So this bit is, this is 15. Oh, 15. How silly of me. 15, 50. So it's 15 times 5. So 15 times 5 is 75. So my area is 75. And my perimeter is 20. 15 plus 5. That is 2 times 20, 40. Okay, the next one is 4a divided by 3 is 8. So we have to find a. So 4a equals 8 times 3 is 24. So a equals 6. Then 6b minus equals 7 plus 5, 12. B is 2. Then I get 2c equals 2c. So bring c on this side, it will be c. C equals 8. And then 2d equals 3c. So equals 3 times 8 is 24. So d equals 12. Okay, now this one. So shape A is, this is my shape A. So shape A, this is an arrow. So shape A has 4 sides. This side, the 4 sides are equal. This is a rhombus. Shape B is an equilateral triangle. Shape C is a parallelogram. Shape D is a trapezium. Next one is a digital clock. What will it read? In 38 minutes time, so 9:47 plus 0.38 or 0.338 minutes. So if we do this plus, this is 47, sorry, 47 plus what is 60, if we add 57, 13, then this becomes 10. So we added 13, so 8 minus 13, 5, 25. So 10, 25 is my answer, because 10 plus 25, okay? So I'm 10, 25. The next one is 11:50. So you have to first make it the next hour, if you can. Plus 10 is 12. So then 38 minus 10 is 28. So this becomes 1228. So we will have 1228. The next one is 1528. So 1528, and if I add 32, I should get 16. So 38 minus 32 equals 6. So it becomes 1606. Okay. Then put the missing number in the sequence. Okay. So let me do that. What should it be? It's a trick question. 1104, 11.94, 12.39. So let me do some subtraction. Let me subtract 12.39, 11.94. We subtract 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. This is 12 minus 9, 35. So it's 0.35. It's 45, 0.45. But yeah, 5 plus 9, so 0.45. So if I do 11.04, and if I add 45 with it, 0.45 is all decimal points. Ignore the other points. They are all rubbish. Here, solve from old writing. So 11.04. If we add now, we get 4 and 5, 9, 4, 11. So this one is 4, 9. Because if you now add 11.49, and if you add 0.45, you should get 11.94. 9 and 5 is 14, 4 and 1 and 4, 5, and 4 is 9, 11. So you get 11.94. So this is 11.49. Okay, the next one is write the coordinates of this shape. Okay, the coordinates of A is 3 and minus 1. Then B is minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, put the comma. Then C is minus 3 and 1 and 1. Then D is, this is a midpoint, mind you, so it's between 1 and 2, so minus 1.5. Okay, and then you have 3, and E is 2, 3, no, 2.5. What is the full name of this shape? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, and none of the sides are equal. Because it's a full name, we have to write irregular pentagon. Okay, so that completes this paper. Hope you had fun watching me do so many mistakes. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and please like and subscribe if you find it useful. Thank you.